Welcome to Sekhmet Soul, a space for spiritual awakening, transformation, and deep inner wisdom. Have you ever felt lost, disconnected, or unsure of your spiritual progress? The key to staying aligned isn't in doing more. It's in checking in with yourself regularly. A simple weekly ritual can help you release stagnant energy, reconnect with your higher self, and set powerful intentions for the week ahead. Today, I'll guide you through a weekly spiritual check-in, followed by a ritual to cleanse, align, and receive clarity. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed or just seeking deeper connection, this practice will help you realign with your path. Let's begin. 1. The importance of a weekly spiritual check-in. In our fast-paced world, we rarely take time to pause and reflect. But just like the moon cycles, our energy shifts weekly. A weekly check-in allows you to reflect on your progress. What energy did you carry this week? What lessons appeared? Release stagnant energy. What emotional weight are you holding? Realign with your intentions. Where do you want to focus your energy moving forward? This process keeps you spiritually grounded, intentional, and aware of your own growth. Instead of feeling lost in endless distractions, you become conscious of your energy and direction. 2. The weekly check-in. 5 reflective questions. Grab a journal, close your eyes for a moment, and take a deep breath. Let's reflect. Write or speak your answers aloud. 1. What energies surrounded me this week? Did I feel peaceful, anxious, inspired, or drained? What events influenced me? 2. What emotions need to be released? What am I still holding on to that no longer serves me? If you are finding this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, comment, and like for more. 3. What was my biggest lesson this week? What did life try to teach me? Did I listen? 4. What am I grateful for? Even in challenges, gratitude shifts energy. 5. What do I want to call in for the upcoming week? What energies, opportunities, or transformations do I want to invite? 3. Weekly ritual, fire and water cleansing. Now that we've reflected, let's move into a simple yet powerful ritual to release old energy and set new intentions. This ritual uses fire and water, elements of transformation and purification. What you'll need: a small bowl of water for cleansing and renewal, a piece of paper and pen, a candle or a fireproof bowl. Optional: herbs like rosemary for clarity or bay leaf for manifestation. Stick around to the end for a bonus step that will fast-track your transformation. Step 1. Writing and releasing. Write down what you are releasing from this past week. Fears, doubts, habits, energy. Hold the paper in your hands and say, I honor this energy, but it no longer serves me. I release it with love. Safely burn the paper or tear it and flush it away. Step 2. Cleansing with water. Dip your fingers in the bowl of water and gently touch your third eye, heart, and hands. Say, I cleanse my mind, heart, and actions. I step forward with clarity and strength. Pour the water into the earth or down the drain, visualizing negativity washing away. Step 3. Setting intentions. Light a new candle or sit in silence, visualizing the energy you want to invite for the upcoming week. Whisper your intention aloud. I invite peace, strength, love, clarity into my life. I walk in alignment with my higher self. 4. Closing and call to action. Your energy is now clear, your mind focused, and your path aligned. This ritual, when done weekly, keeps you connected to your higher self, your emotions, and your spiritual evolution. If you have made it this far, congratulations on your dedication to transforming yourself. Comment below. What energy are you calling in for this week? Let's hold space for each other's intentions. Bonus ancient Egyptian spell for accelerated self-transformation. The Fire of Sekhmet, a spell for rapid spiritual evolution. Purpose. This powerful invocation calls upon Sekhmet, the primordial fire, to burn away all stagnation, resistance, and illusion, allowing for rapid self-transformation and spiritual evolution. Ancient Egyptian principle. The Egyptians believed in Heka, divine speech, the power of words to manifest reality. This spell is inspired by Sekhmet's fire, which both destroys and renews, ensuring that transformation happens swiftly and with divine alignment. Ritual setup. Best time. Perform this ritual at sunrise or sunset, when the sun, Ra's energy, is at its peak or transitioning, symbolizing rebirth. You will need a red candle, Sekhmet's fire, a mirror to reflect your evolving self, a bowl of water, symbolizing purification and rebirth, cinnamon or frankincense for power and speed, a piece of paper and pen to write what you are transforming. The spell and ritual. 1. Prepare the space. Light the red candle and burn the cinnamon or frankincense. Place the mirror in front of you so you can see your reflection. Hold the bowl of water and visualize your old self dissolving into the ripples. 2. Declare your intent. Write on paper. I release old habits, fears, limiting beliefs, and transform into new self, higher purpose, divine path. Hold the paper, feeling Sekhmet's fire activating your transformation. 3. Speak the spell. In the power of Heka, speak with certainty and emotion. Sekhmet, Lady of Flame, Eye of Ra, burn away all that is false within me. With your fire, cleanse my soul, so that I may rise anew, whole and strong. No chains hold me, no fear remains, for I am reborn in your sacred flame. Dua Sekhmet, Dua Heka, hail Sekhmet, hail divine power. 4. Release and rebirth. Burn the written paper in the candle flame safely, or tear it into tiny pieces and release it into the water. Dip your fingers in the water and touch your forehead, heart, and hands, saying, "As the Nile renews the land, so too am I renewed. My transformation is swift and unstoppable." 5. Closing. Blow out the candle with gratitude, knowing the fire of Sekhmet has begun working within you. Keep the mirror near your altar or personal space as a reminder of your evolving self. What happens next? This spell will accelerate your transformation. Expect synchronicities, deep realizations, and rapid personal shifts in the coming days. Be prepared to embrace change and act on new insights as they appear. Subscribe to Sekhmet Soul for more rituals, spiritual check-ins, and guidance on your journey. Remember, when you pause to listen, the universe speaks.